Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Rivian Automotive's skyrocketing success and expansion, Nvidia directors' massive share sale, Novo Nordisk's promising obesity drug breakthrough, Google ex-engineer indictment for AI secrets theft, New York Community Bancorp's $1 billion boost analyzed, Broadcom's unfazed confidence amidst stock slip, chip giants Qualcomm, AMD, and Nvidia lead the way as sector awaits Broadcom results. Plus S&P shatters records while Nasdaq and Dow rise in anticipation of jobs report. Lastly, Mizuho raises price targets for Nvidia and ARM on AI opportunities. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Rivian Automotive, a manufacturer of electric vehicles, has revealed its latest mid-size platform for the R2 and R3 product lines. The R2 model is a mid-size SUV, while the R3 is a crossover that includes a performance variant known as the R3X. Both models are equipped with two battery sizes capable of delivering over 300 miles of range. In addition to this, Rivian announced plans to expand its plant in Illinois while putting on hold plans for a Georgia plant. Following these announcements, shares saw an increase by 12.55%.
Nvidia board members, Tench Coxe and Mark Stevens, have recently offloaded more than $180 million worth of company shares. However, Nvidia's stock remains on an upward trajectory, with a significant increase of 289.36% over the previous year. This surge is largely attributed to positive sentiment surrounding its artificial intelligence chips. Furthermore, Nvidia is on the verge of augmenting its market capitalization by $1 trillion within this year.
Shares of Novo Nordisk soared to an all-time high as a result of successful preliminary trials for its novel weight loss drug, amycretin. This experimental oral treatment enabled patients to shed 13% of their body weight within a span of 12 weeks. The triumph led to a surge in Novo's stock value by 7.5%, perpetuating a pattern that witnessed a remarkable 73% increase over the previous year, attributed largely to the popularity of obesity medications Ozempic and Wegovy.
Linwei Ding, a former software engineer at Google, has been charged with 4 counts of trade secret theft. He stands accused of pilfering artificial intelligence technology from Google and moving it to his personal account while collaborating with Chinese AI firms. If found guilty, Ding could face up to 10 years in prison and a fine of $250,000 for each count.
The stock of New York Community Bancorp experienced a 12% increase after the announcement of an investment worth $1.5 billion. This investment was spearheaded by the firm of Steven Mnuchin, who was a former Treasury Secretary. In addition to this, Joseph Otting has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer. Despite concerns about dilution, analysts are of the opinion that this capital injection will fortify the bank's balance sheet. However, they also underscore ongoing uncertainties related to future strategies and potential risks.
Shares of Broadcom experienced a 2.9% decline in after-hours trading due to their fiscal 2024 sales forecast not meeting expectations. Even though there was a significant revenue increase of 34.2%, amounting to $11.96 billion for the quarter that ended on February 4, the semiconductor giant's projected sales of $50 billion fell short of the anticipated $50.2 billion by analysts. In addition, Broadcom announced a quarterly dividend payout of $5.25 per share.
Shares in semiconductor companies, which include industry frontrunners such as Broadcom, Qualcomm, AMD, and Nvidia, have experienced notable increases. Mizuho Securities, an investment firm, has elevated its price target on a number of chip firms due to the potential expansion in the field of artificial intelligence. In other news, Nvidia is collaborating with HP to improve AI workstations, while South Korea's SK Hynix is planning a $1 billion investment to enhance AI technology. Additionally, Micron's shares have seen a rise following an upgrade from Stifel as investors eagerly await Broadcom's most recent quarterly results.
On Thursday, Wall Street reached unprecedented peaks, propelled by a swell in technology stocks and a post-earnings leap from supermarket chain Kroger. This buoyancy was sparked by Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, hinting at possible interest rate reductions within this year. In contrast, the European Central Bank held its principal policy rate steady but did decrease inflation forecasts. Despite reports of significant job cuts, market players continue to hold out hope for major central banks initiating rate cuts in the near future.
Mizuho has raised its price targets for several tech companies, including Nvidia, ARM, Advanced Micro Devices, and Broadcom. This decision is based on the expanding opportunities in the fields of artificial intelligence and custom silicon. The firm forecasts that by 2027, ARM's data center business could have a value of $56 billion. Additionally, Mizuho anticipates potential revenue growth for Nvidia, AMD, and Broadcom as these companies continue to enhance their AI capabilities. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and remember, every financial decision counts. Until next time, I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.